What do you love about being in the water?
Oh gosh, what do I love about being in the water? It's a combination of peacefulness and kind of zen, but at the same time, when that sun starts to come through, there's an adrenaline rush. So there's a wonderful combination of nature and adrenaline and fun. And I think it's just something that you need, I guess, or I do. I had no idea I had a valve condition. I was asymptomatic. I just went to a routine physical, and he said, "Did you know you have a heart murmur?" And I said, no. And it was a shock because I felt pretty good. It was just like isolated. I mean, if I wasn't active, I felt fine. It really wasn't until I was surfing and I went up some steep stairs, and there was a couple at the top of the stairs that asked me for directions, and I couldn't breathe. I'm like, hang on. And so everything started spinning, and I almost fainted and fell down. And that was the nail in the coffin. It's like, I gotta talk to somebody about this. It was at that point that I spoke with a friend who's a cardiologist, and she recommended to meet with a surgeon, and that's when things really got going and the progression toward thinking about surgery. The day before I had the surgery, I was worried about what might go wrong. But my cardiologist says, I'm going to be able to put in a really good valve. You're going to be like a bionic woman. You're going to feel like 300% better. And at that moment, it was just like, okay, I could put my life in his hands, and I knew that I was going to be fine. I think I did wake up thinking, oh my God, I'm okay. Recovery was actually pretty smooth. I mean, my son came to visit me. I started walking around the ward. And by the 4th day, I was discharged. Day 14, I was back out with a girlfriend at the beach. My cardiologist was like, just start using it. There wasn't PT. It isn't like you have to go to rehab or anything. He's like, start using it. My valve replacement surgery has made it so that not only am I not winded, am I not dizzy. When I work out, I can get on my surfboard and I don't have to worry. I can feel that adrenaline rush, and I don't have to hold back. So, now I don't have to worry about it. I can do anything I want.